Okay, so the purpose of this tutorial is to show you how to manually add an item to a gradebook in Moodle. So you may already know that when you add an activity like an assignment or a quiz or something like that, it automatically goes into the gradebook as you add those things. So the gradebook is auto-populated, which is nice. It's just one less thing that you have to do. However, there are times where you might have to just add something to the gradebook that doesn't automatically show up. So here's what we need to do. First of all, we need to go up to this little gear icon up in the top right-hand corner and click on that. And we need to make sure that it says turn editing off, because that means editing is on. If it says turn editing on right there, then we need to click on turn editing on, and then it turns the editing on. Seems simple enough, huh? And then when you do that, you'll see these little pencil icons and these edit buttons. Your screen changes a little bit to let you know that you're now editing something. Okay, so then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on grades, and we'll be able to manually add something to the gradebook. Okay, so I've made the screen a little bit smaller here so it doesn't show. I have students in this class and it shows their name and their email addresses, and I don't want to reveal that. I want to keep that confidential. So what I'm going to need to do here, the next screen looks like this. It's just a little bit more, obviously, since I made one small. I need to go click here and click on Grade Report, and I need to click on Gradebook Setup. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Gradebook Setup, and then we'll see the next step. Okay, and here we are in the next step. So we have all the things that are automatically in there. Oh, there's a week 1 chat. I added this one manually as I was practicing this. So we're going to add another one there. We'll do a week 2 chat. So I'm going to go ahead and when I get to this step, I'm going to go ahead and say add grade item, because this is how I manually add an item in the gradebook. Okay, so here I am, and the next screen that comes up, and I'll make a week 2 chat since there's already a week 1 chat right there. So just give it a name. I want to leave this on value, at least for me, because I want it to be worth a point value. I'll have my minimum grade be a 0 if they don't turn it in, and a maximum grade be 100. You can change that to whatever you want. And then I'm just going to say save changes right here, and it's going to add it to my gradebook. Okay, and here we are looking at this, and here's my gradebook, or all the items in my gradebook, and you can see there's now a week 2 chat, and it's worth 100 points. And I could even go in here and edit it if I wanted to. All right, that's how you manually add something to your gradebook in Moodle.